Welcome to Nassau, Bahamas. Just got off the ship in Nassau. Today we're going to do the port area and go to Junkanoo Beach. There are 2 carnival ships here, a Disney ship, and 2 royal ships. Liberty of the Seas and Symphony of the Seas. come out of the port and you go across the street to Bay Street and you turn right, and now we're walking towards the beach area. Get to the T in the road, you go to the left. Turn right towards Margaritaville. We'll walk past Margaritaville. We made it to the beach. You can rent lounge chairs or an umbrella if you like. You can see the cruise ships over there. So the beach is not very far at all. It's very nice. The water is very nice. The beach is nice. This is a nice alternative if you don't want to spend money on an excursion in Nassau. That concludes our time at the beach. We're gonna go to the port area, look around a little bit, and then head back to the pool and maybe the slides. Enjoyed a few hours at Junkannoo Beach. We went looking around the port area and ended up stopping into Aloha to buy a few things. We will be back in Nassau in 10 days.